All right, this is all I can do in my last video today about CAD File Agent. I will show you how we can retrieve the previous revision of the assembly with the changes before they made the change for this part. So the current revision is revision C. Now let's go and get revision B. Get revision B. Again, remember, it's all contextual. So we are getting an agent to understand the assembly, which is open in SOLIDWORKS, and it retrieves the entire information and contextually recognize what it does. So it retrieves the revision B. So you work in the particular folder that you configure it here. This is the folder carburetor. Now it retrieved revision B and give me a special link to download revision B. So I can click on this one and it download zip file with all these files as they've been saved in OpenBOM cloud storage for revision B. So I am taking this assembly and I will open this assembly in SolidWorks with revision B. So let me close this one. So let me close this one. Now, if I will be navigating to this one, so that would be revision B. Let's open this assembly from the revision B. And you will see that we're getting a different revision here of this bolt, which was red in revision B, and then was changed to revision C, changed to green. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you in the next video.